Yeah, God bless you. You see, today I'll be sharing with you a powerful opportunity that is available presently at Dartmouth Productions. Now, a lot of people, they don't know that there is a way they can save money, and instead of getting back the exact money they save, they will have an interest on it. Many people do not know that, and that is what I'll be teaching you today. You see, when you are not informed, you deform. When you are not updated, you will be outdated. When you are not inspired, you are going to expire. There are things you need to understand, and if you don't understand it, you are going to suffer for long. A word that says, if you don't belong and you want to feel among, you are going to suffer for long. Are you getting it? So now, at Dartmouth Productions, we have two powerful investment package that you can come into, and it will benefit your life and your financial status. For as low as 5,000 naira, you can start. Now, we have two types. The first type is what I call savings with benefit. You know, a kind of savings that will guarantee you extra income. You know, so many people, they do contributions, they use different kind of app to load their money, and after some months, they get back their money. Now, at Dartmouth Production, is similar to that. The minimum term is 6 months. You can do for as long as you want, but the minimum term is 6 months. For 6 months, you are going to be saving a particular amount of money from 5,000 naira above every month. Now, if you save 5,000 naira above, for 6 months, you are going to have 30,000 naira. So, the benefit that will now come with it is extra 3,000 naira. That's the minimum that you are going to get on your 30,000 naira. You are going to have extra 3,000 naira as your benefit for saving with us. Are you getting it? Now imagine you are able to save 100,000 naira every month. You are able to save 1 million every month. In 6 months, that is 6 million naira. With your 6 million naira, you are going to be having 6.3, 6.5, 6.6, depending. So you need to take advantage of this. Some people are already telling me that they are interested, they want to come in, they want to come on board. And the second aspect is partnership, direct partnership, which is minimum of 100,000 naira above. We have 4 categories: the silver category, the gold, the diamond, and the platinum. You see, the silver category is between 100 and 500, and the gold is between 500 and 3 million. The diamond is between 3 million to 5 million, and while the platinum is 5 million naira above. And each category has different percentage. Now, for instance, if you come in as a partner with a sum of 100,000 naira every month, that is that 100,000 naira, you are going to calculate is going to be like $100 for those of you that are not in Nigeria. So your $100 will be giving you back a minimum of $5 every month. And that is when the company did not make too much profit. When there is much profit, you can earn as much as your $100 in 1 month. You can get up to $100 in 1 month with your $100. And the beautiful part of it is that your capital is still your money, just that it is in our jurisdiction. You can still collect your capital back even after many months or many years of getting your royalty every month. Yes, that's the beauty of it. So if you have the money you have kept in your account and you are not using it, these are the kind of money you can invest it with. Okay, for the next 2-3 years, I don't think I need this money. For the next 6 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 10 months, 20 months, I don't need this money. Okay, let me put it in this place and I'll be getting income every month. So it is what you can do. Take advantages of investment. Don't have the mentality of a poor man. Don't say, all these people, they are scamming us. If you don't buy na lie, you cannot buy na true. That's it. It's a principle of life. When you believe it is going to be fake, then it is your luck. But presently, people are already taking advantages of this. Yes, presently we have up to 8 partners on board already. And meanwhile, some people are still planning to come on board this month. And that is why I'm quickly doing this video, so that you can be a partaker of this great opportunity. So my name is Emo Olagbela. It is still financial literacy. See you in our next video. God bless you.